Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a home page in WooCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So what you want to do is to go ahead and log into your account if you're not already, and after doing so, open up your website where your store is, and you'll be greeted by this home page right here where on the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with setting up a home page. What we want to do guys is first find the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen. By clicking the WooCommerce option, this is now going to open up this section right here where you can get started with either creating a new store if you don't already have one, and if you have one you can just go ahead and get started with the edit menu. And now we can get started with our home page. So as you can see right here on the official WooCommerce website, we have an article showing us how to create a home page. Basically all we want to do guys is just go into the settings under WooCommerce guys. So you want to open up settings and you want to open up reading. So by opening up the reading settings guys, so as you can see here we have settings, and then we can go into reading right here. So once you click reading guys, here is where you can go and select your home page that's going to be displayed for your WooCommerce store. So here you can go and select it right here as you want, follow the steps right here and get started. So this is also going to apply for your WooCommerce store and for your WordPress website itself, and that's how easy it is to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.